everyone, I'm Hannah Terhark with SMTA TV. We're here at SMTA International 2019. I'm here with Brian from MIRTEC. Brian, what do you do at MIRTEC?
Well, thank you for having me, Hannah. So at MIRTEC, we manufacture inspection equipment. We have a line of AOI equipment, that's automated optical inspection, and also SPI, solder paste inspection.
Okay. And what kind of trends are you seeing in the industry?
All right, so we've been around for about 19 years so far. So really, we've had 2D inspection all these years. But recently, or not recently, maybe about 6 years ago, we introduced what's called 3D inspection technology. And with 3D, what we're able to do is really give the manufacturers a really good insight as to what the components actually look like in 3D. So we can use that not only for detecting if components are placed correctly on the board or if they're lifted in some way, or there's leaded devices, perhaps the leads can be lifted off the board, but also we're looking at the integrity of the solder joints themselves. And the solder is really what makes connectivity between the components and the PCB. So this 3D inspection technology really gives the manufacturing engineers a really good insight as to where their process may be good and where it's bad. The whole goal with inspection is really to build higher quality into the board. Less defects means you're going to have better first pass yields, you make more money, your customers are happier.
Okay, perfect. And like I said, we're at SMTA International 2019. How's the show going for you guys?
The show is going wonderfully, quite frankly. Actually, so we sold 2 machines coming into the show. That's no-brainer, right? That's always a good thing. We have a machine coming into the show, and we have a for sale sign on them, and they're sold. But we also we just sold another machine right at the show, which I didn't know the gentleman was coming to the show.
Wow.
And we got a check for the machine at the show. So all in all, darn good show, and I like it.
That's what I like to hear. Well, I'm glad you're having a great show. Thank you for coming out and taking the time to talk to us today.
My pleasure.
Thank you.